Most people believe a heart attack starts with intense chest pain, but in reality it often begins with quiet, subtle signs that go unnoticed. These early symptoms are easy to dismiss, but they could be your only warning before something serious happens. Today we reveal the hidden signs you must watch for and how to protect yourself starting now. Media often shows dramatic collapse or intense clutching of the chest. But in reality, many people, especially women, have completely different symptoms. This misunderstanding leads thousands to ignore real danger signs until it's too late. If you care about your health, hit like and subscribe, and let's dive deeper. We all feel tired sometimes, but this fatigue is different. If basic tasks leave you feeling completely drained, or if you're unusually exhausted after resting, that's a red flag. This is one of the most common heart attack signs in women, and it can appear days or even weeks before the actual event. We all feel tired sometimes, but this fatigue is different. If basic tasks leave you feeling completely drained, or if you're unusually exhausted after resting, that's a red flag. This is one of the most common heart attack signs in women, and it can appear days or even weeks before the actual event. It's not always sharp pain. Instead, it may feel like pressure, squeezing, or fullness in the center of the chest. This feeling might come and go, and people often mistake it for indigestion, heartburn, or anxiety. Pain from a heart attack isn't limited to the chest. It can radiate to your neck, shoulders, jaw, or down the left arm. Many people, especially women, have no chest pain at all, only these referred symptoms. Are you suddenly out of breath during activities that never winded you before, or even while lying down? This can signal your heart is struggling to pump blood. It's often accompanied by tightness, dizziness, or anxiety. These symptoms are easy to brush off as food poisoning or dehydration, but when they're sudden and combined with chest, discomfort, or sweating, they may point to a cardiac issue. Women are more likely to experience these as their main symptom. Breaking into a cold sweat when you're not exercising. That's your body entering fight or flight mode. It could be reacting to restricted blood flow and falling blood pressure during a cardiac episode. A heart attack happens when plaque builds up in your arteries and blocks blood flow to the heart. Without oxygen, parts of your heart muscle begin to die, and damage increases with every minute of delay. According to the CDC, nearly 1 in 5 heart attacks are silent, meaning symptoms are so mild or unrecognized that people don't seek help. These often lead to serious complications down the line, or sudden cardiac arrest. Use the memory tool chest, which stands for C. Chest pressure, H. Heavy sweating, E. Extreme fatigue, S. Shortness of breath, and T. Tingling or pain in arms or jaw. This simple method could help save your life or someone else's. Always remember to use the memory tool chest to test for signs. It could save your life or someone else's. If symptoms last more than 5 minutes or come back repeatedly, don't wait. Call emergency services. Every second matters when the heart is in distress. You're at higher risk if you're over 40, have high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, smoke, or live a sedentary lifestyle. The more risks you have, the more important it is to catch early signs. A diet rich in leafy greens, avocado, berries, nuts, olive oil, garlic, and fatty fish helps reduce inflammation and protect your arteries. These foods naturally support blood flow and reduce oxidative stress. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking a day can reduce heart disease risk by up to 35%. Physical activity strengthens the heart, lowers blood pressure, and helps clear excess cholesterol. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which raises blood pressure and contributes to arterial damage. Meditation, breathing exercises, journaling, or simply being in nature can help bring your heart rate down. Track your blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels, especially after age 40. Knowing these numbers helps detect problems before symptoms appear. Let's review fatigue, chest pressure, pain in arms, jaw or back, shortness of breath, nausea or dizziness, and cold sweats. Don't wait for all of them, even one could be enough. Trust your body. If something feels off, don't guess, don't delay. Call emergency services immediately. If something does not feel right, don't wait. Your body may be calling out for help. If this video taught you something new, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Your support helps spread life-saving awareness. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your doctor for diagnosis and treatment. Your heart deserves it.